Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am back and I have, it was chocolates, it was chocolate covered Oreos that were just delicious. But I'm gonna show you guys this box. Check out this box. This box, it's by the Xin Tianya company, I think is what it is. I don't think it says it on these ones here because they had it branded for the particular chocolate that it was. But look at how solid and good. If you're looking for like a gift box for any type of reason for, really for any type of product that you want, if you make stuff for Etsy or eBay things or whatever like that, and you want to package stuff so it really looks quality and professional, go with the Xin Tianya box. Because check this out. This is the box here, and you can see this is the cover, and you can see it's got some of the grease because there were cookies in there. But I'll show you guys what it looks like here. The Hazel and Cream was the name of the company. I don't want to aim it too much because I got crumbs all in here, but you can kind of see they were able to make this box for these guys, and I ate it all, but but you can see they made it and it fit in there really well for their cookies and whatnot. But here, we'll take this out here, and that's the inside of the box too, but it's a good solid box. If you have anything, whether it's food products, so obviously they can make them for food products like this one here. They also make them for, like this one here was one I had gotten. It was there was a knife inside of it. Let me show you here. Xin Tianya, yes, that's the name of the company on it there. But you can see they have a knife and they were able to put it in there with bungees and everything. Really nice looking boxes. So if you guys need a box for any of your products that you make, if you make stuff that you sell to people, especially anything fragile, they're going to be able to totally protect it really well. Or just anything good, like my sister makes quilts, so maybe she would put those in a Xin Tianya box and make it look just so professional. So love these guys. I'm going to put a link to all the different stuff that all their YouTube and other information and whatever like that down in the description below, so you guys can check them out. But get one of the boxes from these guys. These guys are sweet.